Welcome back to 17,000 Flavors of Indonesia with me, Abe. Alright then, today we're gonna cook something which is one of my favorite meat, goat, because I'm a goat. Okay, so we're gonna do very simple soup, like a clear soup that I used to have back then when I was in Sumbawa Island. My mom used to make this soup but with beef, but today I'm gonna make with goat because I love goat. So they have kind of bonies, a little bit of bone and meat. Okay, so let's broil it. Just broil it. Yes, perhaps maybe like, I don't know how many, 500 gram perhaps here. I didn't measure it because I don't do measurement. Okay, I just cook whatever I want to cook and taste it. That's it. So now we're gonna go and burn this till it's dark, till it's black, and then we're gonna boil it with our special sauce. This one we call it like clear lamb soup from Sumbawa Island. Alami Chef Abe. Okay guys, so we're gonna broil this for until it's burned, you know, like a black, maybe like 15-20 minutes. We're gonna make the sauce. Okay, so we're gonna combine with bumbu putih by 17,000 Flavors of Indonesia. Okay, so let's do the garlic first. I like to do the garlic like that. Okay, let's do perhaps, how many garlic? 2, 4, 6. Okay, so we need, yeah, let's do 6 garlic. Okay, guys, the garlic here. Let's put it here. Okay, you want to ground this. If you have blender, you don't have molcajete or ulakan like this, so you can use blender. Okay. Okay, how many? Okay, 6. Okay, I think that's good. Done. And then we need maybe like 2 of this, 2 of shallot. Yeah, but if you don't have shallot, you can use onion. If you don't have salad, okay, you can use onion. Okay, let's do this. If you want a chili, so you can put chili, but we are not gonna put chili because we have sambal, so we're gonna mix with sambal when it's done. Okay guys, so we're gonna cook now. We're gonna make the sauce. Okay, coconut oil guys here. Huh? Yeah, coconut oil, just a little bit. Okay, we're gonna saute this till smell fragrant, nice smell, and then you put the water. Okay. This is 4 cups. Okay, if you need more water, we're gonna add more later. Let them boil. Okay, then we're gonna put the white pepper. I do love white pepper so much, so I'm gonna put a lot. Okay, because the taste is really white peppery and garlic. Okay, then either you can put salt or stock or whatever. If you have beef stock, you can use beef stock with this. If you have a chicken stock, you can use chicken stock with this. Okay, as the liquid. Then now I'm gonna put the chicken base a little bit. If you don't want to use chicken base, this is gluten-free chicken base guys, so no preservative, no nothing. So you can find this in Costco or in Whole Food. Put the chicken base there. Okay, put the celery there. Celery. Okay. Yes. Then last one we're gonna put maybe like one it's enough for those kind of things because you want to taste kind of garlicky and white peppery. Okay, guys. So good. Carrot. We'll put all of the carrot. Okay. This is the lamb that we broiled. Let them cook there. See here. Yeah, it's very simple because you don't have a lot of stuff going on. Everything is really clear, kind of soup. Okay, let's add 1 cup of water. Okay, I think that's enough. 1 cup of water. So in total we have 5 cups of water, guys. And let them boil. Let the meat cook again. All of the nutrition and all of that stuff. If you want to put more salt, you can put more salt because you put some liquid there. I don't really like too how do you call that?
Too soft?
Yeah, too soft. If you want it softer, so you can cook longer. But me, I want to feel that kind of, when you bite the meat, you feel that kind of, you know what, like struggling, but it's not struggling. You feel the meat. That's what I like. Okay, so. Some there. So guys, this is our Sop Kambing or Sop Kambing or lamb soup. Garlic, white pepper and bumbu putih combination of that. Okay, it's very simple and you can have this for breakfast. If so, eating. Let's go. Eat it, eat it, eat it. So this is with no soy sauce and this is with soy sauce, so you can.
Okay.
Yeah, but when you put soy sauce, it will taste different. It's
Sweeter.
kind of that sweeter. It's very refreshing. It's very simple. It's a garlicky. If you want to put a lime, you can squeeze lime on the top. It's very simple taste.
I gotta pick it up.
Yeah. It's kind of remind me of my home because it's garlicky, peppery, a little bit gingery. If you want to put a lime a little bit, it's very clean, simple taste. Okay, and it's really I miss my home when I taste this. And then the lamb itself is already gives some taste to the soup too, because the lamb has distinct flavor. With this simple flavor with lamb. And like I said, I like meat when it's not too soft because I want to feel that kind of
The texture.
Yeah, the texture.
And you really can taste all the different elements of this dish. And it's light, it's airy, it's fresh.
Yeah. And it's very
So good. Hefty spoon
Let me try it.
to get all the flavors in there. Wow. And
Try this without the sauce. So good, right? It's kind of sweet.
yeah, definitely a totally different flavor. The ketchup manis, the sweet Indonesian soy sauce, is definitely a must-have in your kitchen as well.
Yeah, you can mix with anything. But me, when I was in Indonesia, I don't really use soy sauce. Even I go and eat bakso or eat soup, I just like that. Okay. because that meat kind of broth.
Yeah.
Very
good.
simple, but it's right there.
Right there. Going to Texas.
Yeah, right there. Because of bumbu. Okay. When emerald has bang, we have bumbu.
That's right.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, comment,
Share.
like. Try this at home. Go to 17thSubscriber.cooking.
And remember,
Buy
this
the
was
seasoning.
done with bumbu puti today.
This is with bumbu putih. Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much, and see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.